front of this car. So of course, here you can see the beautiful emblem of Subaru. Syempre, meron tayong wide and also horizontal na front grills. Two-tone na rin siya. Makikita ninyo na meron tayo ditong black na front grills na naka-contrast dito sa ating colorway ng kotse, which is the crystal white. And you know what's really iconic about this one is meron siyang auto-leveling headlamps na mukha siyang crab. Now let's look at the heart of this car. This one has a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine. So this one is very powerful. Kapag nilagay mo siya sa off-road, it's so stable, it's so powerful, it's so comfortable. Kahit medyo rocky pa yung mga terrains, medyo muddy yung terrains. In fact, pwede rin siya kung medyo nagsusnow. Now let's look at the side of this car. So you can see here na meron tayong 20-inch alloy wheels. Very beautiful ng kanyang mags. It looks very premium, quite large, but you know what? That adds to the premiumness of it. And also parang very stable and very comfortable talaga yung ride with these wheels. Of course, you have the 220mm ground clearance. So medyo mataas siya. Ibig sabihin, kayang-kaya niya yung mga lubak, kayang-kaya yung mga terrains yan. Kung gusto nyong mag-off-road, perfect siya. And this one also has what you call the power folding door mirror. So, nasa sa'yo yung choice kung gusto mo siyang i-fold or not. Fold or not. Okay, so here is the back of the car. This one, of course, yung ating emblem. You have the wiper over here. You have your tail lights na mukha ulit siyang crab claws, like that. You also have, of course, yung Evoltis na nakalagay dito. And a power tailgate. Oh, beside it is actually a camera. So it's good for your safety whenever you're parking. Nahanap ko yung tailgate. Ayan na. Okay, so automatic siya. You can see here that there is such a space. Not that big, but it's quite enough, I think. Meron tayo ditong compartment that you can put some stuff, pwedeng sapatos or some tools that you want. And this one, na nakatayo yung ating third row seats, pwede mong lagyan siya ng car seat here. And then meron din tayong ISOFIX ready seats dun sa ating captain seat. So you can have 3 na car seats, especially if you have 3 kids in the family. I think it's time for another YAStacks. Pull this down, pakita natin. So you can push this back. And voila! Right, we're trying to be like VIPs right now because this is such a premium car. In fact, I could see right away that there are a lot of speakers that are branded Harman and Kardon. It's like so expensive, don't you think?
Right. Like
What else can you see as premium features of this car?
an armrest here. We can put it back.
Also see a lot of USB ports over here. So you can
Exactly.
charge.
So-
Oh, there's actually a plug over here. Dandy.
Neat.
So is it a premium family car or a pricey gamble? Ito talagang verdict ko. This is actually a perfect SUV if you have a family of 7, and definitely all the safety features, the stability, the comfort, the build is just really powerful. Something that you can bring out of town and enjoy with your family. But it is true that it's quite pricey, you know, it's in the premium side of things, so you really need to consider your lifestyle if it's really a fit for you. So clearly, it's a yes talaga for me. So if you have some thoughts and comments about this car, feel free na i-type yan below so that we can also read it. This has been Yas. I'm a mom, and Yas I Drive.